Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install PhpStorm in Ubuntu. So PhpStorm is owned by JetBrains. So let us first download, then we will install it. Go to the browser. I am using the Mozilla browser. You can use any web browser. Here and type JetBrains and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it, jetbrains.com. We have reached the official website jetbrains.com. Now click on developer tools and herein click on PhpStorm. After clicking, go below. Now you can see, click on download now. Now it will start downloading. We installed it. Now minimize. It is under the downloads folder. Now go to the terminal by going to show applications, type terminal. Click on open to open it. Now reach the downloads folder by typing cd space downloads. This means change directory. Press enter. We have reached. Now list all the files. ls space -lh. Press enter. Now herein you can see the PhpStorm file is visible. Now we will extract. Type tar hyphen space hyphen xvf type p and press tab. This will list the same file. Here this file is visible here now. Now press enter. This will create an archive. This will extract the archive. It will create a new directory. Now type ls space -lh hyphen -lh. Press enter and this will list the files again. Here and now we have our PhpStorm extracted. That's good. Now reach the bin directory by typing cd space type PhpStorm. Press tab /bin because we want to go inside the bin directory. Press enter. Now we have reached the bin directory. Now to launch, type ./phpstorm.sh. This will open the PhpStorm from the folder. Press enter. Here it is opened. Now I confirm. Click continue. This is the agreement. Data sharing, don't send. This will open our PhpStorm on Ubuntu. Here it is. We opened it. Now we need to log into create a JetBrains account, a basic account, so that we can access the 30-day trial of PhpStorm. So guys, in this video we saw how we can install PhpStorm on Ubuntu. Thank you for watching the video.